Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my ultimate kind of quick, caramelized apple cinnamon snack thing. Because the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our apple. This is how I cut my apples. So please don't judge. This is how I cut my apples. Okay? So basically what I do is that I just from the top. Okay? And then that, and you obviously cut it in half because that's how everybody cuts their apples. Ooh, got a seed. There, so now that we got that. And once again, this is how I personally cut my apples, okay? If you have a different way, if you have a different way, go for it. Go for what makes. So now I'm gonna take out the core. But first I'm gonna take out. That's a good apple slice, and then we're gonna take the core out. So there, but we're not done yet because we still got this part. But make sure that it gets the entire core. There. So now we got the core out. And we're going to do the exact same thing to the other one. Okay, so. Oh, and also make sure you get the stem out because nobody wants to eat the stem. Okay. Knife in and slice. Turn around. Once again, knife in, slice. And then we gotta get this part here. So then, knife in, cut it. There. So now that we got rid of the peel, got rid of the cores and stuff like that, and we can now slice it. You can slice it however you want. I'm gonna cut them like, thin slices. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna cut them like very small slices like that. This is how I'm gonna cut mine. You can cut them however you want. Because I'm gonna make like a bowl of this. So I want it to be like. Okay, and now as for these. Place all of the apples into a bowl. Sprinkle some cinnamon, just like this. Sprinkle it on there, not too much. Mix until well combined. Stir in a little bit more cinnamon if you want. Then mix again. When it starts to look like you're making apple pie filling, add a pinch of salt to taste. Then stir again. Then add your sugar. I'm using brown sugar because I have it, and I feel like it makes it much richer indeed. So add the sugar to make sure that it achieves its caramelization. Add as much as you like. Don't add too much though. Actually, no, I'm not gonna add. Then mix it up one more time. Add a little bit more, that's why it looks like this. Now put it in the microwave. Make sure that you didn't leave your spoon or whatever in there. Because you should never ever put any metal stuff in the microwave. That's what it looks like. Caramelization. Now, just wait for the magic to happen. Microwave for 1.5 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna do 1 minute and 30 seconds right now. You should hear that bad boy sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Make sure you also take breaks every 30 seconds or so to make sure that the sugar doesn't burn. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna give the sugar a break a little bit so that it doesn't burn. Because we gotta do those intervals. Or intervals. I forgot what it's called, but I think intervals. This is what it looks like afar. As you can see, the sugar is starting to start its caramelization. So I'm just gonna let it. Okay, back in. Start. Okay, after another 30 seconds, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, and we will see you after that. 1 minute in, and this is what it looks like. It's definitely achieving its beautiful caramelization that we want to achieve. It's done. This is the finishing product. Ooh, that's hot. Finishing product. I feel like I might put it in for another 15 seconds. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do 15 more seconds. 15 more seconds on the clock. Let's go. Starting to sizzle. That's what we want. That's what we want. Boom! We have achieved great glory in caramelization to its finest. Altogether, that means we have heated this for. You have cooked this for 1 minute and 45 seconds. If you want to do, the time that you microwave it, it depends on how much you're making, and how big / thick the pieces of apples are. As you can see, apples are pretty thin, so if they were any thicker, I'd probably have to put in for 2 minutes straight. So yeah. That is the finishing product. As you can see, we have achieved that great caramelized apple feel because when you touch it, it's a lot like apple pie filling. If you want it to be a little softer, microwave for longer. If you want a bit firmer, microwave for less time. So yeah. It's the moment of truth. Time to eat this. Okay, let's take a very small piece. As you can see, we achieved the sugar, all of the sugar melted, and some of the apple juices kind of flowed out, meaning that we achieved a perfect caramel. That is freaking delicious. Like, the soft apples. Wait. Yeah, the perfectly softened apples. That rich a sugar caramel that we had in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds, 30-second intervals to make sure that it didn't burn. The cinnamon, just like solidified it all together. I don't think it would be as good if we didn't put in the cinnamon. The cinnamon adds a little bit of like a heat to it. I don't know how to explain it, but like it's like a heat to it. It's a good heat that I like. So it looks like on the inside, obviously. It softened all the way, even to the middle, the inner core. I don't know how this could be any better. Actually, I think I know what this could be better. Have only we had like ice cream or something, this would probably be bomb. The icing on the cake, for real. If only I was actually making a apple pie. This is a good like little snack, quick snack. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. It will really help the channel a lot. Bye.